Have you ever wondered what would happen if our Milky Way galaxy collided with another galaxy? Right now, all around us, galaxies are moving, shifting, and even colliding in the grand ballet of the universe. But what if our Milky Way joined the cosmic dance? Imagine entire star systems, solar systems, and planets pulled into a new reality, merging with another galaxy in a breathtaking display of cosmic power. And here's the fascinating part. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario. In fact, scientists have confirmed that it's likely to happen to us. Let's dive into what would happen when, not if, the Milky Way collides with another galaxy, and what that incredible event might look like. The most likely collision is with our nearest large galactic neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy. Currently, Andromeda is about 2.5 million light-years away, which may sound far, but in cosmic terms it's right next door. And every second, Andromeda is hurtling toward us at a staggering 250,000 miles per hour. If you fast forward through time, around 4 to 5 billion years from now, these two massive galaxies are expected to collide. And when they do, it will be one of the most magnificent and transformative events in the history of our universe. Picture two giant galaxies slowly merging together, stars from both galaxies forming a cosmic swirl, and the entire night sky filling with new stars and nebulae in a way we can barely imagine. So, what would this collision actually look like? First, it's important to know that even though galaxies look dense and bright from far away, they're mostly empty space. The vast majority of stars are separated by enormous distances. So, when galaxies collide, the stars don't actually smash into each other like billiard balls. Instead, they pass by each other, forming complex gravitational interactions. While stars may not collide, the gas and dust within each galaxy would clash, triggering an enormous burst of star formation. Imagine entire clusters of new stars igniting, filling our skies with thousands of brilliant points of light. For billions of years, the merged galaxies would create breathtaking nebulae and star fields that could fill our skies with light like we've never seen. As for Earth, this galactic collision would most likely be awe-inspiring rather than catastrophic. Since the stars within galaxies are spread so far apart, our sun and solar system would likely remain intact, drifting to a new location in the newly formed megagalaxy, sometimes referred to as Milkomeda. Imagine looking up from Earth, or wherever our descendants might be, to see a night sky alive with the light of thousands of newly formed stars. The cosmic show could last for millions of years, providing an endlessly shifting landscape of star clusters, nebulae, and cosmic formations. What's fascinating is that these galactic mergers aren't rare in the universe. In fact, we know of many galaxies that have collided and merged over billions of years. Andromeda and the Milky Way are simply following the natural order of things. These events give rise to new galaxies, combining their stars, gas, and dust to create unique and diverse structures that keep the universe evolving. By studying distant galaxy collisions, astronomers can even make predictions about our own cosmic fate. The merging of the Milky Way and Andromeda could transform both galaxies into an elliptical galaxy, fundamentally changing the structure and appearance of the Milky Way forever. As far as probabilities go, a collision between Andromeda and the Milky Way is essentially inevitable. Andromeda's movement toward us and gravitational interactions confirm that our galaxies are bound to meet. But, because this event is billions of years away, it's something we won't witness ourselves. However, it's incredible to think that if there's life in the distant future, it will look up at a sky completely different from our own and witness one of the greatest cosmic spectacles ever. So that's what would happen if the Milky Way collided with another galaxy. A cosmic dance billions of years in the making, creating new stars, new landscapes, and a universe forever changed. If you're as fascinated by the mysteries of space as we are, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us as we continue exploring the wonders of the cosmos. Who knows what other cosmic events are waiting to be discovered?